Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone and Apple Watch are paired and using the same Apple ID. This avoids permission conflicts. Next, open the Activity app on your iPhone so you have the full interface for sharing. Once done, make sure contacts and fitness sharing permissions are enabled in Settings. This lets the app access people you can invite. You're now ready to add someone. Tap the Sharing tab to start adding friends and proceed to select an Add or Invite action. You're in the Sharing tab. Tap the plus sign or invite people to begin. Choose contacts from your list or type an email or phone that matches their Apple ID. This ensures the invite reaches their Activity app. Press send and you'll see the invite move to pending. While waiting, you can add multiple people at once. Make sure names show correctly to avoid sending to the wrong user. Once they accept, their rings and workouts appear in your shared view for friendly competition. Once friends accept, they appear in your sharing list and you can start challenges or compare activity. If an invitation fails, check that both people are signed into iCloud with correct Apple ID and that network connectivity is active. Also verify fitness and contacts permissions in settings so invites aren't blocked. If invitations stay stuck, restart both devices and re-sign into iCloud. That usually clears sync glitches. Finally, resend the invite if necessary, and confirm the recipient taps Accept in their Activity app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.